Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how we can enable or disable the smart wear detection of this FreeBuds. So at first I'm gonna put both earbuds to my ears. Okay, they are activated. We have to open the Huawei AI Live application, open our earbuds and then scroll down a little bit and we have to go for the settings. Right here we'll find smart wear detection, and that's the feature, that's description. So basically it will auto resume the sound when we put back our earbuds. So let's enable and take a look how it works. I'm gonna play the song. Right now I'm gonna remove the right one. As you can see, it stopped playing, and when I'm gonna put it back, it will start playing automatically. So as you can see, that's how the smart wear detection works. And if you don't activate this option, you will have to tap play when you remove this earbud and put it back. So it will basically, this feature just automatically play the media when we put back the earbud, the left or the right one. I know that you know what I mean. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.